Right, okay, so I'm going to build a normal Stormdrake guard now. So I've already done a prime, and I'm going to move on to the Stormdrake guard, which is going to use this sprue here. Start off by clipping out. No, 34. 35. Also need 88. Let me find that one. It's going to be around here somewhere. I'll find it. There we go. Yeah, 30. No, my brain's gone to sleep. Yeah, 32. You've got choices actually. You can use 33 or 32. It just gives the body position just a bit of a difference. As with the other one that I built, this one's got terrible mould line running right the way along it. To try and clean that up as best as I can. Don't like spending ages cleaning up mould lines when I'm doing videos, because it can take a very long time to get a mould line cleaned up, and it's something that I'll probably put more effort into later on. Trying to think how many more actual Stormcast models there are to do after these Stormdrakes. It feels like these might be the last of them. I'll have to really check what's come so far, kind of work out what's left. Oh, put this on the right side. I just feel like I've got all of these Stormcasts. I've not got around to painting them up yet. And I'm just going to do them on a massive, potentially a massive batch job. Not my preferred way. I'm putting things on but upside down here, aren't I? Silly of me. I did not see that. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna massively batch paint them all at once because of the way they are. I never kept on top of my painting on this, and I'm kind of chastising myself that I didn't, but I've had so much going on. It's just not been an option to keep on top of the painting as well as the building side. Right, so main body is this 36 and 37. I personally think I need to clip it a bit further out. There we go. Yeah, sometimes if it's hard to get your snippers in, just go away a bit. Okay, make sure that's all nicely cleaned up. Here, when it feels like the mould line's in a position where you're at risk of taking off detail if you do it wrong. Yeah, like that, nice and easy in. This part, nice and simple, just kind of clicks in. So there is a different like mid-torso that you can use just to give a different like sitting position. 38 now, which is, well, you can use 43 or 38. I'm going to go for, oh no, it's not 43, it's 39 and 38. I'm going to go 39. Right. Now I need 41, which is a spear. Although, you know, you do have a sword option. I definitely think the spears look great. Well, I say spear, it's a lance, isn't it? Make sure you support it as you're cleaning it up, otherwise that thing is just going to snap on you. And then we need 45 and 46, so let's have a look at it. Looks like there is actually arm options as well there. So different kind of, you can use different swords by the look of it if you want to. Okay, here we go, nice and on. And then we've got this shoulder guard needs popping on, which is number 40 over here. And we're going to pick a head as well, so it can be 49, 50 or 52. I think I'm going to go for this one here, number 50. Make sure that the head is looking appropriately down. And there we go. That is how simple it is to build a Drake Rider. Now, there's alternative, you know, body position that you can do on it. Give swords if necessary as well, if you don't like the lances. But there we go. That is how easy it is to build the Stormdrake guard. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.